Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of viewing suggested videos in X. If you're looking to discover personalized and engaging content, we'll show you how to explore the videos that are recommended just for you. Let's dive right into this comprehensive guide. Step 1. Open X on your device. Step 2. Locate the magnifying glass icon and tap on it to access the search feature. Step 3. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Videos for You. This section presents a curated list of suggested videos based on your preferences and viewing history. Step 4. Now let's explore the suggested videos. Tap on one of the videos that catches your interest. X will instantly load the suggested video, tailored to your tastes and preferences, providing you with an immersive and enjoyable viewing experience. By following these simple steps, you can easily view suggested videos in X and discover a world of personalized content that matches your interests. Have you ever found yourself endlessly searching for new and exciting videos to watch? Discovering suggested videos in X is a fantastic way to uncover hidden gems and explore content that resonates with you. Thank you for watching our full guide on how to view suggested videos in X. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials and guides.